Let's learn about CAG 2.1 Success Criterion 2.4.9 Link Purpose, Link Only. This criterion requires that links must provide information about the purpose of the link when it is presented on its own, without any additional context. This is important because some users may navigate through the links using screen readers, and they need to know where the link leads to before clicking on it. Here are some examples of how to implement this criterion in code. Using descriptive link text, instead of using generic text such as click here or read more, use descriptive text that clearly indicates the purpose of the link. For example, instead of click here to read the full article, use read the full article on web accessibility. Using the title attribute, you can also use the title attribute to provide additional information about the link purpose. This can be helpful when the link text doesn't provide enough context. However, be careful not to rely solely on the title attribute since it may not be read by all screen readers. Using ARIA label attribute, you can use the ARIA label attribute to provide a label for the link that is only visible to assistive technologies. This is helpful when the link text is not sufficient to convey the link's purpose. In summary, to meet CAG 2.1 Success Criterion 2.4.9, you need to ensure that links provide enough information about their purpose when presented on their own. This can be achieved by using descriptive link text, providing additional information with the title attribute, or using ARIA label attribute.